Hello viewers. Get ready for an exclusive chat with Baudouin's leadership at CONEXPO India 2024. Explore their cutting-edge engines, vision for India, and strategies to lead the power generation market. Watch the interview now.
Good afternoon to all of you. And thank you so much for giving us the time to interact with you at this particular exhibition, bauma CONEXPO India 2024. So start with, you are a veteran in this particular industry. And how do you see the industry as of now? How it's going? If you can just give us a little overview of that.
I think, there are two things which is driving this market growth. One thing is about, the infrastructure growth and the front-led investment, what government is doing in the infrastructure. That is number one. Second thing is, I think there is a lot of e-commerce. For example, with all the UPI and all that, I think that that space has grown significantly. And therefore, there is a need of data to be stored, data to be transferred. So a lot of growth in the data center market. Now, when there is a data center, I think there is a building, right? So I think commercial realty, then residential realty, because of this Awas Yojana, all of that is actually driving this particular growth. Even on the retail side, if you see, the B class and C class cities are also contributing to this growth. So I think, and I don't see that going for next 10 years, because I think this will continue next 10 years. That's my thought.
So how Baudouin is contributing to this India growth story?
See, basically, we are growing at a very fast rate. Again, I don't think anybody has an expectation that this might happen. Okay. But due to the technology advantage, due to the product performance in the market in last 3 years, I think we have created an option for customers to look at. Secondly, I think this industry, if I see infrastructure, I think it is growing all across.
So what's your growth strategies for Indian market?
See, I think the growth strategy, if I talk about, I think we want to be number one player, because that's what our DNA is, either to be number one or nothing. So I think that's where we come from. But at the same time, looking at where we are, my belief is we should be somewhere number two in segment we play in the power generation. Second thing, I think the another contribution what probably we are making is that in the technology side.
What will be the role of technology and what sort of technological innovations you are bringing in for your company?
See, Baudouin is a 100+ years global brand. And if you talk about technology, full authority electronic platform, advanced electronic engines, and the after treatment system, as well as the high pressure common rail system is the key technology what Baudouin engines follow.
So in these particular exhibitions, are you showcasing such innovative technology?
Definitely. We are having all our advanced products which meet CPCB IV+ norms, as well as the norms which are being placed by the CPCB, that is stack emissions and direction 76. Those products are being displayed in these exhibitions.
At these exhibitions, you are meeting lots of customers, you are getting lots of feedback. So what exactly your focus?
Our customers are basically expecting a low cost of ownership, then low maintenance cost. What Baudouin engines can deliver. This is Baudouin engine's high pressure common rail system delivers a low fuel efficiency as well as fast transient response. So that is the benefit what customer can get. Also, we are having 100 plus countries network which delivers the service support and parts availability. So this is how customer is going to be benefited.
So, this is an exhibition of innovations, and government is talking about Viksit Bharat 2047, Make in India, all those stuff. So while you develop a technology, rather when you bring in or introduce any technology, you also keep these things in mind because these things happen keeping government's initiatives also in mind. So can we see such products even in these expo also?
Yeah, what you say that up to that, because you know that for last 10 years, lot of technology changed, lot of government policies are changed. Initially that emissions, non-emission to CPCB 1, CPCB 2 and CPCB 4. Government is changing the emissions based on the emission requirements. So based on that, you have to be achieve that emissions. So you have to require that technology. So we have a technology developed from the non-emission to right now is the CPCB 4. We have developed our product. We have good R&D centers and we have expert people for development of that one. And we develop the product to meet the emissions. So not for the meet, we are better margin the emissions. So we have this product meet as per the government expectations.
So you all spoke about the India growth story and the opportunities in Indian market. So just to conclude, sir, I would like to hear from all of you that what is going to drive the growth for your company in the years to come?
Basically, the growth is going to come from, new products, the new range, and coverage of the market. Because what is happening year on year, we are able to cover more market than what we were doing the preceding year. So therefore, what happens is that when you cover a more market, you have a better opportunity.
You say that we require the products, is very important factors. And you have to require for all segments, not for the one segment. So like power gens, like pump applications, compressor application and construction application, as well as on-away applications. And we require the as per your technology, then you can grow that one. So in our case, we have all types of products. So we have good opportunity to grow our market.
We all are aware that India is a growing nation. And what basically is required, that is the AI. AI is driving actually the power generation market, as Mr. Gurunath has explained. So we have a product available with IoT, that is Internet of Things. So definitely we are going to capture all that market, and we will definitely enjoy the repeat customer.
Right.
So, Shashank, I had a very interesting conversation with Baudouin, your Indian top management, the technical person, as well as Mr. Kulkarni. And they were talking all about the innovative technologies they are bringing to the Indian market. So, what is there in this particular edition of bauma CONEXPO India 2024?
bauma CONEXPO, we wanted to show our complete prowess. We wanted to show the legacy that we have for more than 100 years now. We started up in 1980 in Marseille. It's a small village in France. From there, we have grown to a company which is supplying engines as big as 4,000 kVA. So here in bauma, we wanted to show the entire prowess of Baudouin. And when I say prowess, I'm talking about an engine range which starts from 100 kVA and goes up to 4,000 kVA. And we are also going beyond it on the lower sides to start up from 62.5 kVA till 4,000 kVA. So we'll have the complete range for any backup power generation business, any backup power generation application which is available in the market.
I was talking to a few of your visitors here, and they're saying this is the showstopper of this exhibition.
This is our 12M55 AJ.
Oh,
And this is the smallest in the big category.
I don't believe it.
Yes. So next time when we meet, we will definitely like to put our biggest engine, which will be 20M55, which is almost 1.5 times bigger than this one.
Exactly.
So that is what we wanted to do, but because of the space constraints and the logistics, we thought that let's start with this. So this beast is actually the smallest in the big category. So this is a 2500 kVA rating engine, and this goes into multiple applications, and especially in data center application where we are putting our DG sets.
So, thank you so much, Shashank, for giving us the opportunity to go through the products and talking to you.
You're most welcome, Shubhri, and nice talking to you. Thank you, sir.
Hello friends. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content.